yeah, these bars are comfortable. I really do gotta say. 14-inch fatback ring bars. They got the knee hook over here. I wanted to go with the factory 47s, but these were, based on my shop's recommendations, a whole lot simpler to install because the insides are engineered essentially to put the wiring down that little hitch, and it makes it a whole lot easier. When I asked San Jose Harley to put the factory 47s for me, they wanted 8 hours of labor, but my local shop, Motorious, they said, look, you get the fatbacker bars, we'll do it in 5. So I was like, bet. It's good. Go ahead and order the bars. One thing that was really surprising about the bar setup too was that the wiring harness kit, because you have to extend the cable and the clutch wires, was more expensive than the bars itself. So that was a bit of a shock factor when I was ordering the whole setup. I didn't realize, you know, a simple wiring kit would be so expensive. But I did get the black steel braided ones. They look good on the bike. You know, it's seamless. So I really got nothing to worry about there. On my old setup, the bike, when I bought the bike, it came with these 12-inch Carlini Apes, and you could tell they were just using the stock wiring, and it just wouldn't reach because these are now 14-inch bars. I love the hook that they have on there. It works pretty well with on the back of the bike, the sissy bar that I got on there, and I think it just makes for an overall more aggressive look. When I bought the bike, I really did have a vision for how it was all going to get put together. The look of it, I knew what parts I was going to be getting. I even like made a whole spreadsheet of like what parts I wanted, what the budget is for each of those, how much it would be, where to get it from. Why you don't switch lanes in front of me? There you go. I want my space. Thank you. Now, you know, I'm looking forward to the progress that I'll make on this channel and putting this bike together. 17 for 5 miles. Yeah. See the bike come along. Got the 14-inch bars on right now. Got a sissy bar. Got a luggage rack. Changed out the badges. I got that headlight extension on there. Gonna get that freight train look, which I really love. You know, that front solid light on the bike. It just makes it really stand out to me. And also, you know, this is a 2018 Road King. It's a newer bike, but it's got that old-time classic Harley look, which I really love. And obviously, look at this olive gold paint. Like, when it hits the light, it just shines. I love that olive paint with the gold metallic. It's great. I can't believe I still got an hour to go and get to Monterey. I don't know if I'll be recording this whole time, but I do want to record Highway 17 while I'm on here. Yeah. Heading up, I took 280 south. So I came through San Francisco. Man, dealing with a lot of headwind that way. I don't normally ride 280 south. I'm usually going north because I'm, you know, around San Francisco. There's a lot of headwind. I got a bunch of bugs on my windshield right now. Interested to see how my cut's looking when I get off the bike. I got bugs all over this leather and everything. It's a nice hot day. I'm gonna make sure to enjoy it. Hang out in Monterey, take some photos, hang out with the boys. It's Saturday right now, so tomorrow will be a family day. Alright, gotta slow down. Yeah, let me know in the comments below if, you know, sometimes I might not have an exact topic that I want to be discussing while I'm riding, or I just want to be focused on the road as well. And if you enjoy just watching these footage of me riding through these various roads along the California coast, every weekend I try to ride down Highway 1. And if I'm having a long day, I like to go out for a quick ride to clear the mind. But yeah, great way to get out of the house, enjoy your scenery. What I love about having this Road King, because it is a bagger, I'm rocking the Peak Design 10-liter bag, and that holds all my camera gear. I throw my tripod in there, so I can really just go over to wherever I want, stop wherever I need to take a photo if it's a good sunset or something. Nice Bronco. Got to exit in 2 miles. Yeah, it's nice having the bags. Super convenient. They're much bigger than the bags I had, or the biking bags that I installed on my Sportster. And that extended reach on the bags it really sets off the look for the Road King Specials, or any of the special models with Harley, honestly. Looking for Watsonville, Monterey, Highway 1 South. I am feeling a lot of wind, and I hope the mic is working properly. Otherwise, I keep recording footage and it's like just got worse audio. So I mean, when it works, but if the problem is, I have the GoPro connected to the media mod, so that is another link, and then the media mod connects to an adapter, because you need to be using TRS cables and not TRRS, and I knew it. Let me get them right as well. And then that cable then connects to the mic cable, so yeah. I swear, if I took my car, I would have been dreading this ride. Because that Highway 85, look at this Tesla. I bet you're going to turn left. I bet you're going to turn left. No. Thought for sure he's going to cut off that truck. But like I said, when you're on a bike, you become hyper aware. Always in a defensive mode, even when you're driving aggressively. Yeah, I don't have a real plan for today. I'm just going to be in Monterey, discover the area a little bit. Well, yeah, that was Highway 17, little detour I took. Don't want to bore you with just all this freeway stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and call it there. Hopefully it works out, and I'll catch you guys next time. All right, ease up, see you later.